Hello guys, welcome to Mark's Kitchen. I'm so glad that you are here with me and we are trying these recipes together. Thanks so much and God bless you. Today is some keto oats recipe. You will love every bit of it. Just give this a try and you will not regret. Please consider subscribing if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video. Leave a comment as well. And so the first thing we are going to do is to roast our nuts a bit. So I have some almond nuts, walnuts, some hazel nuts, and also the first nut was Brazil nut. So these nuts I'm going to just put them together and then take them to my oven and then just bake it a bit. I'm roasting it a bit just to give it some nice flavor and some crunchiness also. Okay, so we are going to prepare our oats and we are going to make use of coconut flour. We're also going to make use of some oat fiber and also some almond flour, our sweetener, and also chia seed flour. So the chia seed flour, just get your chia seed and grind them. Okay, and so we are going to also use coconut milk. So the first thing is I'm going to put in my salt, which is half a teaspoon, and I'm going to add all my ingredients to the bowl. I am using one hand to do this, so you have to bear with me. One hand is holding the camera and one hand is doing the adding and the mixing. So the oat fiber is 60 ml, the coconut is 30 ml, the almond flour is 30 ml, and the chia seed flour too is 30 ml. Then I'm going to add 20 ml of sweetener to this. So we'll stir everything together and then we're going to add coconut milk to it. And so we're adding our coconut milk. We'll add them in bits and then use the whisk to whisk it or stir it together. You can choose to add some flavor like vanilla flavor to it, and that will be okay. We'll add more of the coconut milk. The coconut milk is homemade. Just get some dry coconuts, blend it and squeeze the milk out of it, and that is it. Okay, so I'm going to add water at this point. You need to mix it a bit light, not too liquid or watery, but it shouldn't be too thick because when you put it on fire, it's going to thicken up. So I will even increase the water again. Yes, just a little more. Okay, so mix everything together. Then we are going to take it to fire, straight to the stove, put it on and then start cooking it. So we'll be stirring it this way till it cooks 100%, and that will be it. So you can see it's thickening up. Yeah, you don't need to add water, it's okay, don't add water again. So keep on stirring, allow it to cook very well, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cook and for you. Okay, so at this point it's okay, so I'm going to take it off fire and I'm going to serve myself. So this is our keto oats. Yes, so our keto oats, and I'm going to top it with some peanut butter. Yes, you can use any toppings of your choice and some of the roasted nuts. I'm also going to top it with the roasted nuts. And I'm going to add some berries to it, that is dried cranberries to it. Looking all sumptuous and inviting, eh? Give it a try and you're going to love it very much. And so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So today's recipe, oats, keto oats with some toppings here and there. You can use any berries of your choice, any toppings of your choice. Any toppings of your choice. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for trying these recipes. Thanks for being part of this channel. Thanks for subscribing, your comments, your likes, and sharing. If you have not yet done so, consider doing so. And watch out for another awesome, sumptuous keto vegan recipe. And hey, stay healthy because health is very expensive. Bye.